everyone, welcome back to my channel. Very excited for today's video because I've seen it that you love these kind of videos. So I thought let's do another series of what internet influenced me to buy. So let's quickly get started with today's video. So definitely we have to start with a skincare product, which is this one right here. Now this is by the brand PhD and this is their 2% alpha arbutin depigmentation serum. Now, if you're facing hyperpigmentation issues or you have dark spots on your skin, this will really help you because it has alpha arbutin in it. And if you don't know, alpha arbutin is an active which will help to reduce the hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, dark spots that is there on the skin, even the spots that you get after you have an acne and the acne goes away and it leaves the mark behind. It will also help to get rid of that. So I genuinely love this product. I love the texture of the product as well because it is so watery, so thin, so you don't feel sticky at all. And I love how it looks and feels on my skin. And also, if you see, I've used so much of the product, so I genuinely love this product. The next product that I want to talk about is again by PhD. Now I have been using their product for a while now, like every single day and night. So I really wanted to talk about it. And also, if you see, I have like finished so much of the product right here. Now this is their vitamin C brightening moisturizer and it is for all skin type and it's fragrance free. Love the consistency of the product, looks absolutely stunning on the skin, and also with consistent use you are going to see difference on your skin. I was not aware of this brand at all, but then since I have been using this product, I love it. And if you don't know, PhD is basically a proud Indian brand where dermats across the globe like UK, US, and even India work together for Indian skin type, and I genuinely love this product. So the next product I have is this one right here, which is by Be Body Wise, and it is their ultra light sunscreen with an SPF 50 plus. Now this is actually made with an anti-acne technology, which means that someone who has acne prone skin can also use this. And the best part about this product is it's super lightweight, and also it just stays on top of your skin surface and doesn't penetrate inside your skin, which means it will not disrupt your hormones in there, and it is extremely clean product. So I really like it. All you have to do is just take 3 finger of this sunscreen and apply it on your skin, and be very generous because you have to apply a sunscreen when you go out. And you can see that how gorgeous it looks on the skin. It doesn't feel chappy or sticky at all. It's super lightweight and gets absorbed in the skin very quickly. Now let's talk about this one right here, which is by Nykaa. This is your Prep Me Up face primer. Extremely gentle. It makes sure that it closes all your pores so that all the makeup sits on your skin beautifully. I really enjoyed using this primer. I actually bought like a mini version because I wear makeup very occasionally. So I got this. I actually got this in January and it's still there, and we're sitting in October. So yeah, I love it. It actually soothes the skin, it primes the skin, it just makes the level so equal that when you apply a foundation, it just remains intact. So love this one. So the next product is my favorite, which is this one right here, which is MAC Studio Fix, and I love it. This is in the shade NC40. I am completely blown away with this product. It just covers everything on the face. You don't need like a concealer, you don't need anything. It just makes your face look so gorgeous, so flawless. All the marks and everything is hidden, which means you don't have to put 2 or 3 more layers. You just take a little bit and that's it, and you will be so happy with the outcome. So I think this is a fabulous product. I know super expensive, but this tiny little bottle will also go a very long way because you really need extremely little product. The next product that I want to talk about is the Maybelline eraser. instant age wide concealer. Now I just use very little around my eyes to just give like a pop to my eyes, otherwise everything will look very same color, so that it just highlights my eyes. So I genuinely love this. The only problem with this is the thing that is there. I like it, but I do feel that it gets a little messier. But if you see, I've already finished so much of the product. I mean, it's over, and I really like it. And also, I am in the shade 130 medium. So if you're someone who has warm, neutral undertone, I think you would be my shade again. And yeah, you can see how smooth this is, how it glides on the eyes, and it looks so good. You can actually see the finish of it also, and it looks gorgeous. So the next product that I want to talk about is this one right here, which is by Etude, and this is their water tint. This is for cheeks, lips, and also you can use this as an eyeshadow. Like take a little bit of tint and just apply it on your eyelids, and that's about it. Extremely great. The only problem with this is that it is so pigmented that you have to be very quick as soon as you apply this. Just take a brush or just take your hands and just brush it off. Just be very gentle, be very fast, and just make sure that you blend it completely. Otherwise, the stain is going to remain and it is going to get very difficult to get rid of it. And you can see how beautiful my cheeks look. The next product I want to talk about is this. This is the Maybelline eyebrow pencil. I am in the shade brown. Again, extremely good. I like the wand of this. It is so good, very easy to use. You can carry it anywhere you go, very affordable. I really want to get my hands on the benefit, but that's way too expensive for the eyebrows for me right now. But one day I would, but for now this one is so damn good. Just see how it glides, and it just covers everything. I'm just doing it in front of the camera right now so that you can see how it actually looks, but you can also build it up and make it look super natural. So yes, I genuinely love this product. So the next product that I want to talk about is my favorite, which is by Plump, and this is their I Swear by Kajal. This is something it looks like, and oh my god, this is such a mind-blowing product. You can actually see the one swatch. It is very pigmented and it is so good. I genuinely love this product. And also when you see, I'm actually applying this on my waterline, and just see the difference on how gorgeous this looks. So yes, definitely, if you're someone who is a kajal girl, you have to go and get your hands on this. And also, if you're men and love to apply kajal, go get this one. You would not regret. You can also use this as an eyeliner. Does pretty good job. It is so smooth. It just glides beautifully. So yes, I love it. The next product I want to talk about is this one, again by Maybelline, and this is their Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. Genuinely love it. I don't even know how many of this I have actually used. I think this is my third or the fourth product, like the same one. So this is gorgeous. Just look at the difference on how it looks. The moment you apply it, it doesn't feel like, there is no stickiness, or it doesn't feel too heavy, super light. And you can actually see the difference on how it looks on the lashes. It instantly makes your lash length grow, and it really looks super beautiful on the eye. So I really like it. I genuinely don't like mascaras which are very heavy, or it feels like you're wearing a mascara on the eyes, because I'm not very much into it. And also this is waterproof, so it's such an amazing product again. So yeah, I love it. So the next product that I want to talk about is this one right here, which is by Mars, and this is in the shade Wine Night 05. Took a lot of time to see that. Yeah, 05 Wine Nights. Again, amazing. You can see that with this lip liner, I'm actually going to line my lips. And then I am also going to use this as a lipstick, because you can see how gorgeous it is. And also this retails for about 69 rupees, which is so affordable. And you can look for yourself how gorgeous this looks on your lips. So amazing, love it. When you go out for a party, you can just apply it. It stays on your lips, and yeah, it does. The next product I want to talk about is this one right here, which is by Wishcare, and this is their ceramide lip balm. So whenever I'm stepping out, first I apply this, then I apply my lipstick, and then I top it up with this. And you can actually see that even if I'm applying it on top of the lipstick that I've put now, it is not smudging and it is intact. It instantly gives like a little gloss to it, and at the same time it will also protect your lips from the sun because it has SPF 50 with a PA+++, which means it is definitely going to protect your lips, which means that there will be no pigmentation and there will be no darkness. So I really like the product, and you can actually use this on its own also, because this gives you like a nice shade of pink, like little tinted pink. So it is gorgeous. I have actually recommended this so many times, so I genuinely love this. The next product that I want to talk about is this one right here, which is by Dalba. This is their first spray serum. Again, this has white truffle, which is good for your skin. Now coming to this product, I don't like to use this as a skincare product. I like to use it as a makeup fixer, because you can see it for yourself like how gorgeous it looks. You have to do is just take this, just shake it very well, spray it on your face, and then you can actually see how it looks. Do wait for few seconds before you open your eyes, because the smell of it is sometimes very intolerable. I am not a fan of the fragrance, but yes, I love the finish of the product, so I like it. And you can see how instantly it made my makeup look so good and flawless. So I really loved using this product, but like I said, I would not use it like a skincare product, but I will use it as a makeup fixer, because on its own it does feel very sticky, so wouldn't use it as a skincare. And the last product that I want to talk about is this one right here, which is by Verified. Love the product. There's something it looks like. It is a transparent powder. Love it. And the thing was that you actually have to set it with it, but I forgot and just applied the truffle one. So now we're just going to apply this over the truffle spray that we actually use. Just pat it on your skin and it will look so flawless. It instantly subsides everything down and your skin looks so flawless. I really love this product. Whenever you get this on discount, just get your hands on it. There is again 2 on 2 sale that is going on, which is a Diwali sale, in case you want to go and get it. Also, I would really like to highlight that when you are in a rush and you don't want to apply anything on your skin, you can just do your skincare, top it up with a sunscreen, and just apply this powder, and that's about it. Your skin will look so fresh and so presentable. It will suit all the skin tones, so I genuinely love it. And yes, that's about it. So that's about it. I really hope that you loved this video. I genuinely love creating these kind of videos, but today we did like a little different so that it's more engaging and you also be there, because I know that your attention span is super low. So I really wanted to keep it engaging, and that's the reason I shot the way I did today. And I really hope you all enjoyed it. And yes, with that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.